church wo mechia wo ohene
meje osuminwa apom ti say
yamya dom oba de adom ode acheme benim se oso ho ye nana wede ba oncha abani bi anim na no ada yen twa ye ni kohwe manhia ehemfo bi no mu de omafasuo no omudi kan sha atade na omofra ntoma aguso yenko busama yeso mu ne ye Greater Accra Regional House of Chiefs Greater Accra Regional House of Chiefs no we omepede o manhia ahemfie ombedru manhia echia ohenekese Otumfuo Asantehene wie ya omone du semana se omunanti sinya ne se pinche bi ekoso wo Greater Accra eye ehemfo mo enkramantam no no mo sra opem so a one de oka na etwa beya opem so won fa na no betum nanka yeyo ene pepepe ye emra o nkramam efa ahensie ne ahensem ho ye ba onchen na ye penchiremu na sentiase sa bibi na e course no sa hemfo beto santini frin kran na omobesra opem so no ebiesi pen po a sa omude adesrede beto Asantehene nim no na bibi sa na kire sai
Mr. Charles mechia no watiefo nyina yo minsa mikura metia mehwe bi na in fact mehu ye na mani agi gia mani gi ye ne se ye wo abibimam ye abibifo CMP ye abibifo and ye one particular place na different tribes, different diversity. Inti ya hufasu ya kasa ni eduane no. Enye pebet Ghana di nyina obi eduane obi ko bi kasa ni ya tena na ya say I can say one family. Enu nti no pede o kano ampa ahemfo no omubae no emsi nyina yete omukasa omubekae na kasa ninyamu no na kire se omuso omuba ebechia wo Asantehene ifi se ninwa ba ye ne maame efri mu no mse yi no omuba bi na nu achi no omu ene Asantehene nheda nya nkutamudi a eye nwa don nkutamudi etise o masheda abe nti omuba ebehwe ese no musitie eja abrewa kwa ekura no akaka wono nko a ene Asantehene na mfise sa culture no part no na me fe pa because South American ga ene Ghana ye capital omu ka eto aso no omu sa kokaka se asomdwe ni nkran ama omu efise eso mutu ho anamo na akoya hinsem so ta de kokota na court no nsem di ni eyi na akomu use technicalities ne court ruling ni enoma nwie peye mfa amane ni amambre ene aneta ya hinsem nti ombesrese ngo Otumfuo enturi na nsi nsem bi a ekoso wo nkran a se nyina nya ho apotra anhwa na oyini aidai esi wo nkran which the omoye no if you say oma ye a very good service to the people of Accra and the traditional council and no nchire say sabi omuntimi eni omunsem ewon kan na omaduma Asante no empanyin si ade to obi ani a enye ono a na ede eyi enu nti no ombehe ense mudu anaba se mudu na omude omunsem akọ sa na ye bebia nka emfa nsem bebri nko court nka walisem kranke nkudi ni court because obi ni obi yere edem era mu nkuta hudi enso so no asem no efa ne afa enka se onye neutral person no betinem no na nutum tomutu omuni no leto Asantehene nim Asantehene nim no mabadia ha mabai die omunim say Otumfuo ka yi ebeto yi na asomdua aba ama enkran eye capital na emu abusua ne emu nipa ete woni mu nkola no omahuni sam ekwan first way resolve conflict ana misunderstanding no whereby pay the third party and our third party to sit in between the matter. And this mobile number is if you say any question no. Take a crime in phone.
Now, only say or he can see the coach dodo. Opemsona na me boarding sorry o. Only say or he can say coach and I say it just say or dinner not to enkan ahinsi onsem.
O did quite na can mintia as say yakaso we did quite
sir
yes or prince as kwikasa ne de oni di nko obi asasi Asantehene on pe obi ahwe obi antimi ntuaneka boko nsem a okoka yi ndidi a okoka ye ma ne takukra onu kwa be kokko ino no ni sika kra sa akushimmo obi antimi ntuaneka emumu no enkanyo boko nyo abunuma emu nyo asantema emu nyo a ayemfa ne yeko enu nti no ehu be hia sei so he Ghana ho na yetina aban bia ba ye development no it is centered only in Accra nti ama obi ama ne bag so a me konkran ama Accra aye choke se was steady area Accra omuni land bebe it is Asantehene other tribes because omuni land omu land ni na aye occupied by institutions and people among cry choke omu ye mine so and se senke banisa but what you say enu no yet o mai ba kum na asumdwe ni mu a na ye feel say no ye tuye ni na etomani na ye feel say kwa na ekoka ibenya asumdwe a enu nche se wadi dia bo obi diem se wote wo ba bi na wo ye wade na me de ma no abetum a enna ne ye ka se di ofi asem ana se watwenkon ekuhwe di obi ye onfie baby we die se de mesunu mi nyina hu ye no the traditional council no ena oma tutu omunam afa for it mafaka they come with flight and some faka I don't think said they would drive anyway however they came to Kumasi to seek Otumfuo's assistant and Simbia Air Coso traditional council I didn't have more my Ebiana a family fuse in Transia and CB Yade Abem Seven Otumfuo lawyer bet oye Ohinia Ebu Niti a woman who couldn't. You see, we need such pep. It shouldn't be only Otumfuo. They will see a himfubia or man who do many munyam na a do dear dear. You come and say, and I call many at the end some go to many. Na omotimi edi no kre ene me say aka ama asumdua ede aba esa se senkran anu a menu nyina ba affect yen senkran e fane e fatwe na koye traba misunderstand koye ntokwa emwa Ghana man no etimi die me hu ni say anamo no omutu ye no eye ne kwan so na mane kan hu so say omo ba ye no so hwemu a akoye one side of the traditional council na ihu womu no say gamanche no say the oye gamanche no there is a certain misunderstanding say tema for no and I say I believe I stand to be corrected it is a tema and I say I believe or
so your God dang be you
no any the same is under one nationals say ngwa manche no ni other people be friend adama be refi the full name no say ono na say no also ye gamanche so omu routine no a certain year bi it say ekọ no bi aba ama ni current enkrahene ozi ye friend no ni Kentucky Taiko Shrew the second. Ono na say no na other fashion patches say enye ne kwan so no. Now you see, as civilized as that form, they don't need to fight for people to see say they are fighting and sana solve it. So they need somebody who knows and be honest and sincere in the matter. So that asem the tenase na say they will differ no differ. Na yadi atu yi ni akoyanim as a people. Enu nti no Asantehene de empanyin se eto apentian ye frɛ no. Edu dia dia na odi betu n'anim a with the expertise and knowledge yakopon dia dom no ono so ba akɔ edai ebeka kotenem ana obepese bi hia no o tu ho anam o kasa no wo se mem pepre enkran tumi emfa nya hwe mem pre esrem tumi bia na me dia hwe me ebuno ba bia nya me dia no me nkopre wo nya hwe kakra yakopon de maami mani so na me bo ho ban ama me nanam we kasa be no wonka bi because Asantehene onzo we hwesofo yede chobodom ahyenensa yede sampa ahyenensa yede dumase no matu ahyenensa yede brekum ahyenensa yede nkranza ahyenensa yede mamponi mikrum gaben ahyenensa yede asanteman bi se be bi asanteman kopim bia yede ahyenensa so onu wantini ahwesu ya na kunya sunsun ati Asantema kunya no ebibisa no ebibua no fo enti kwan bia so protect sa nkunya no na kofri kwan mu bia ntimi amefasa akunya no ani abra onye de hye enu ntina Asantehene wote ho no ade a ompe se obegina nim na obetwa no to na ne bufu so steady na because ahenie ni abusuasem no e very delicate, very sensitive pa intino dealing one win year and this is politics here dormaahene yes obeka kire mahama no oche udi na he wadu mahama na obefre no mahama acha 2-3 years and now dem fa ne say nka fi kwa na waba na nka obetuma ko 8 years acha mfie nwoche mahama no we ne baby ehun no intino no tumi no odi mahama tumi ko compensate Asantehene side menti de o oxmo ke man shada antiasie because on shada nim the value or the value wa kunya to say fe no hini nti me dem fi say enkrafo mpanifo no say akoye fashion so fashion A any fashion B minim same a bi or a third fashion or minim bet fi say sa so ba enye emfa mpuntu emfa nwiado emfa koroye emma society no sebe enkrafo omo ye hospital akamfo nkola any notness omo tinkan no they are more than the people themselves so what you say but omo ni nipa do omo nyina in peaceful anya dan aye oni pa ni ba ku mi onu mu a omo subni omo ban no sometimes ya na bet esa na baby atie oba Asantema bi hia safo ni bi ho ukosirima oba hia safo ni bi ho oni de obi betena ne nchen a na ahanye nkan ahanye kumase ahanye bono ahanye obetitis bi efro ma no nya hwe isafo ni bi obabia yeso no the bigger part no how Ghana people has been hostile and also accommodative to the people in Ghana. And you know, so some being in Ghana, affected the whole Ghana, and and I him for none more mutu and make see to say Omotu and more papa because Omo say Otumfuo the Omo money to so Omoda on beda and it's on by into fish and the question. Asantehene nyansa for me so be council ma asundwe aba na pepepe akoda baby said disanity
na enkranfo ahemfo ne ba ye no ankoso saa se omude adesrede ba ya na twa yo aho na ma opem so kire history bi se ka bakwasem bi se akataman so wo no nyindo kresa asantefo ne nkranfo ne nyantoko gidigidibi eye nanana osakoto penso ya okoto sa antoko ne nefe no akataman so wo no se abrofo no kosesa asrafo firi alatamem
yes abro and yes, sir, Abrofuno, say history, Santocano, and Yentokwa Achu, 18, I think it's 18,
26,
27, and 18 saying
26.
And Muvan say, and Chibi Brubisa. Anyway, a Cataman's warn. And Tokwa, Achim, and crying, Fante, and some Nigerian Muslims, no, and our Brofun rally or to fight against Asante. So I tell you, and
like I said, a coherent to between the British Protectorate and Asante.
I say all the protectorate almost na the full say individually, no, Asante too powerful, no. So when you support from the British governor, then na I will say omutimi any Asante bekum. Then so no, omuni Asante bekum just antokano. Omu bekuma even you say Asante ko obi e disikadwa edi anim ko. Sikadwa yon kontoko bi wabre sikadwa ni anim da. In the fight, you know, sikadwa ni kura ko di omu warriors ni ho. And I'm Miami Krum Gabenhine. And Antoahine.
Contanase.
And a Contanase. And a mutin Sanum Buta Jessica Janasa Baba. So what you say? Sanity. Sante, Wintimin defeatia Sante. And Tino. A year, and Toqua, a history now so by him, almost almost exactly 200 years in the almost just half na amode ama in children who say in maybe a camono bibi say see now so ene edim puntu ne emima sem ene nkoso ne ye pediama e bi man emunkola ene munipa entino Asante eye kura ana ye omaya tetino na obia fi say Asante ehu emanu say we nya bambo Asante ba beto ahye so eno abediako na so ne ntisa mpanyin say aboa wansena ana aboa no ha wa yenye den yense ne bo eno ntino na enye say Asante pentokwa so pentokwa kekene mu no Asante fondata na akoka omo especially look at it here. Sikabia, not just a baby out in home, some shebre. Said the Mama be I to Kotna to see Omakoka be my so or my by force upon phone. Disanity.
Upon so called Cape Coast, no, a man almost said fit to a fashion. Emerson and Cassa Yamu, my racing young says, any fancy for Bonnie and Tem. Says it's one kind. Okay. Abakwa sama ohene kan ya like I said Asantehene kan bonini wantu bi ani ntem Ghana atifi mantam no yesire mu no o ma na ahohemfo ni bi so ababa chi open so like I said boni bi ani Asantefo ne other tribes ni ntem Kamia say it's only the bonus side and the campaign chief is dormaahene Ojidi said dear no obetumi akafa Asante Bono relations na diana afanu no bet me eswe free peacemaking mo na what they can do.
Say on say Asantehene ko keep kusi ana wokin se bibia ni omuntem no. Bibia na ba yentem. Ye nyina ye nipa ba se de na meka no. Say abrofo no uhwe omu way of ruling na omu what they intend to do ni say they earlier put division among us. When you say an over Europe ha, any border obebia, and now when him say, but Europe me free, me crum na me call other country Europe ha. There's nobody anywhere in a chronomum colano and then munipano. If it be free trade association, omutimi diga a treaty within the Europa, ama omusika semino, ama business a move. Yen dear no abrofo did demarcation we divide yen the Togo near the border any Cote d'Ivoire near the border any Burkina near the border enti ekoye say mu development no ebe only within your territory but what you see sekobani sa market no ebe minimize my market, minimize my potential. Emma when you saw the one bi otiase because azumi say so bi Ghana na otonade na de kona oton no Nigeria for Kenya for Zimbabwe for Senegal for bi etimi to bia a day no ubetuma make $3 billion $10 billion within a year. Said America among for Tonade, said Chinese for Tonadiana India, or Tonadiana the whole Kunukwa so muta. I just say, Sikamu, Bayadiano, opportunity to me, Yama, Ebesine, Omukru, Boda, those time they were 40 European Union. But yes, yet African Union. I take here so many years, coming Kuma time, still opportunity a bit African Union. At the end, I catch so. Sa no mudi ba Ghana memu ebe divide yen a ebe sine dormaahene nse hu ya odi otan ya odi ahye na dwene mu se na wo ka no tribe bia ni obi ani issue bia eye ni pay wo ye dan a obi be fun obi obi be ti obi na so be ti sa ni nipa su yete in every human institution no obi be offend obi one way or the other, but as people, as quickly as we can no ni resolve matters. It's only the fools who don't learn from their mistakes. And you know, everything so dormaahene ni trim no enye o kan say o si every my am sa abono enye and dormaahene no kura ba akupu abono dormaape it ni pa bia na omo supporting omo ne yes ana a few of them, and you know they have intentionally side this on be intino main classify as upon for yes na modifying intention now or na mananya a certain grant no abono ni bia ni Asantehene bia ni issue, and therefore me Asantehene the dormaahene ye na ema me nya otai bi ma abono ni bia onya mehwe not even so free doma no but omonya bad leader. Everytime we be benya dormaahene dia ono ongo this we kwana offers and we na nkasa offers no the opeso hu bi obehu ama obi ad na ni hu bi na aye adesua dia ma obi a the opeso hu bi obehu bi entini so obefre always strategic ne tactics na obeka ne Mahama yezo ne Mahama ne kuntu Asantehene. Mahama is just a president of Ghana. And your man mandate to, your man mandate to work for Ghana. Otumfuo be a man mandate to. Otumfuo ono obetena baby a wati. Mampanyi Rollins. One ne ye adwuma. Ekoye mampanyi Kufuor one ne ye adwuma. Okoye mampanyi Mills ene ne ye adwuma. Okoye mampanyi Mahama ene ne be ye adwuma. Okoye mampanyi Kufuor ene ne be ye adwuma. Okoye and Mampanyi Mahama Asayede Abba. Mahama is not the first president in Ghana. Neither Mahama can make a certain decision against the will of the Asante people. And also with Makasame Baba this Asante for your culture rules no to suit dormaahene no. It's not going to work anywhere. Anytime I catch us an instant maybe your kind of him. It may Ankasaniana I don't want to discuss dormaahene because the more you discuss him no now man irrelevant. So what you say? Oh, discussing son on open. You want to put it discussing. The more na ye boni dino, na social media na atini dini manfo di no fell. Na ye kana sem na okunu krumu ha 777. Doma deprived area a krase. Na ya baje so ajima bedu no you see Otumfuo Osei alive for that line. Ono ye had inviting UN General Secretary. Omu invite Asantehene man by UN meetings. The whole UN General Secretary omu invite Asantehene. Emma Otumfuo be must speech. Enye Ghana police headquarters so UN. And who are you talking say? Adena Ghana I come on we trash nkola sem. Nti yen Asante kase we nsejwase nti baby o kan ne ho anapim nti sanity.
Me no ka say global conference because of Dubai yat emumpenefo na to mun safre opem so umra no meche na adwene kwan be no ma wiase akonkan na yina yetumpon ti opem so etie ne nachi enra minim se ne o Dubai abonten so
na de ntina odomahene mane nka ne sia afro Asantehene ne ya amfre no so senka ye bibia mo Asantehene a yemfre Ghana ahemfo ni nyina ntare no onko pledi se ya fre Asantehene de yemfre ono domahene yemfre ahemfo ni nyina ade na ne de onka nwasem ana Dubai de omo de usuro o mana ana na dwen so NDC ni nti ono NDC na oye no o NDC ni se ono domanu na domanu NDC ni a wo vote se na the whole bunu ma mo de NDC Ashanti region and the highest regional NDC vote so nim ni history ngo kan history yen Asantehene se kasa yen domahene nti ebuof NDC ma NDC ni bia ma ye rally ana yem wo so bia ma NDC a NDC bet no position till perpetuity. And they say, oh, domahene no, oh, what may influence certain people be na move to men this year. It doesn't make you extraordinary. Or bina walking, or something yes, I'm ready to buy you. And yet you bomana, domana say one few. Yes, I'm ready to buy. I'm ready to buy no member speech and I make such lectures concerning how I always my unity about Africa. None of domahene am friendly be so no you in it. According to one was said, actually, Fred Asantehene, yemfre all other chiefs, anameboa. Ana yemu omunzo so emparidina omuni police. Meaning the no the other breno. Asantehene mudro no. Anya Ghana police ne mani muyedu. Mani dentia oma asem we ehano a wotimenya chance afre press conference. Me press conference. One of friends or friend sa bloggers. Because wotimi free even local TV station bizo me cover. Because Oye, tintin TV no tie kura na se na oye no ho chompiata and oye dan a wotie oye kura se hene o twini move ye dan oye kura se hene o twini move ni betin pe because doma oyo nyo oyongo kura ni sunwan enyo oyonko ne efe ne sei brekum omo nyina develop kama sunwan hene na sei no man wantwu kakra ba ho na sunwan yi hene no hene no huni no ma yiye no to tunu na ne no ma ya odomahene wo mu bro be sunwan kura hene aso sunwan mu ya mokumfo so what you say
yo
eno ntino na sa na tie ntino say you when say world leaders Asia ewo Dubai na ya who say obi wo Ghana efe no Asantehene that is who he is, that shows who he is, and that is what he stands for. On standing for peace, or standing for dignity, or standing for loyalty, insanity.
Yo, hene e beda wase na emresim ya sa banche. Channel yi so, yene nipa pii na ne di nkita ho. Nti obi kaka sebnesa anya woda, wo akwanya se wo so baba so na wabetneten kasa no. Ana se wabekire wadwe. Beka abusuen ho. Subscribe, like video no, na share ma pii na so enya bintie ana se omunya binhwe. Medase.